Matcha Ichigo. Hello and welcome to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. This was a drink I had on my recent trip to Bangkok and it was life-changing. I told myself I had to come back and film this for you guys. Homemade strawberry jam, oat milk, matcha. There's nothing better than this. It's so refreshing. I'm gonna make it for all my guests who come over from now. First things first, strawberries, frozen. I use frozen strawberries because they are cheaper and also frozen strawberries are sweeter. I'm gonna make a jam out of this. Frozen strawberries are generally sweeter because they are frozen at the prime of their lives. Smells like summer. It's always summer here. Homemade strawberry jam is so easy. All you gotta do is put strawberries in here, turn up the heat, and then you wait. Wait for it to get all thawed out and macerated. You just give it a stir. You can add your own sugar if you want. I don't want to add any sugar into mine. That's it. Strawberry has lots of pectin, so it will set really well. You don't have to add anything else. You like my new pot? I find it so cute. Yeah. Yeah, right? And today I'm using everything small.
Is that what you got it for filming? Because it's clear?
Yeah. That's right. Let's smell this.
Oh, it smells so good.
Just smashing it a little to help the process speed up as we go along. You don't have to do this if you have lots of time. Well, time is not on my side. I'm also making a very small portion because I'm the only one having it. Quick shout out to Matcha and More in Bangkok at the M Quartier Mall. You guys made such a good drink and I'm remaking it right now. I hope it makes you proud. Look at that. It's really turning into mush jam really quickly. Ooh. Well, I was kidding about the sugar. We need to add some sugar. But of course to taste. My strawberries aren't so sweet this time. They lied. This pot is a little small. Let's get the bigger one. I look dumb. I look like I'm cooking for ants. I'm letting it reduce a little right now and we'll come back to it. This glass bowl is so beautiful, right? While we're waiting for the jam to cool and thicken up a little bit, we're gonna start making the matcha paste. So 4 grams of matcha. Oh, just look at me. Look at that. I'm a 1 scoop wonder. So we sift the matcha powder into a bowl. Take some water, boil to about 80 degrees Celsius. Pour about 20 grams, 30 grams. My apologies. Now we take our matcha whisk. If you don't have a matcha whisk, you can use one of those electronic whisks for foaming up milk. That's fine. Whisk, whisk. ABC, always be cleaning. And now we build the drink. Strawberry jam in. Alright. Put some ice in there. Quick shout out to my favorite oat milk of the moment, oat side. Freaking good. So delicious. So thick and creamy. The final layer, matcha. Taste test. Ice that I use is way too big, but it works. It's gonna work. Can't wait to taste it. It looks thick and delicious. It's good.
Just as good as the plate?
Yeah, it's really good. This is like a really healthy dessert in a cup. So the oat milk gives it like that creamy, really intense creamy flavor, texture, and the matcha as well. And then the Ichigo just comes in and gives you a fruity surprise. Shout out to Oatside again. I love you guys.
That's amazing.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait for you to try the drink out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again next week.